How to deposit on MEXC Exchange. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application MEXC. Enter your login credential, add in your email address and the password, and then sign into your specific account. Once you have been signed in, it will land you on this page. Now what you want to do is head over to wallets at the bottom right corner. Now here in this page, you will be able to see different bunch of options. Among these options, you will have to tap on deposit, and if you tap on deposit, you will be redirected to the page where you are going to see all the cryptos that can be deposited in MEXC. Now among these cryptos, you just have to select the particular cryptos which you want to deposit over here. So let's say you want to deposit Ethereum, so you will have to tap on Ethereum. After that, you will have to select the network. So let's say you want to get it via BNB Smart Chain, which is BB20. So you will have to select the network, and here you will have to use the option of tap to generate address. You need to tap over here and then it will show you this type of reminder, which says that to ensure your security of deposit, we have to send you a deposit address information on your email address. So over here, you will have to tap on cancel, and then you will be able to see the QR code as well as deposit address. So you can tap on this deposit address, or you can even tap on the share address button, and you can share this address on any social media application. Then you can use this deposit address in order to deposit your crypto in MEXC Exchange. So that's it, and this is simply how you can deposit in MEXC Exchange. Make sure to smash the like button, and please consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.